This lesson is for beginner English learners. By the end, you'll be able to talk about your favorite music and ask others about theirs. Let's start. Brian, do you like music?
Oh yeah, I love music.
Me too. What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music and some pop.
Nice! So, listeners, Brian said, I like rock music. This is a simple way to talk about music. You say, I like, plus the type of music.
What are some types of music?
Good question. There's rock, pop, hip-hop, jazz, country, classical. Those are common ones.
Classical is like orchestra music, right?
Exactly. Violins, pianos, that kind of thing.
Got it.
Let's practice. Say, I like pop music.
I like pop music.
Great. Say it again.
I like pop music.
Perfect. Now, listeners, think about your answer. What kind of music do you like? Say it out loud. Emily, how do I ask someone about their music?
Easy. You ask, what kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
I like jazz and R&B.
R&B? What's that?
It stands for rhythm and blues. It's smooth, soulful music.
Oh, okay. I've heard that before.
Let's practice the question. Say, what kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like? One more time.
What kind of music do you like?
Excellent. Now, sometimes you want to talk about a singer or a band.
How do I do that?
You say, my favorite singer is, and then the name. Or, my favorite band is, and the name.
My favorite band is Coldplay.
Oh, I like them too. They have great songs.
What about you?
My favorite singer is Adele. She has a beautiful voice.
Yeah, she's really famous. Listeners, practice this. Say, my favorite singer is Adele.
My favorite singer is Adele.
Now say it again.
My favorite singer is Adele.
Good. You can change the name to your favorite singer.
What if I don't have a favorite?
That's fine. You can say, I don't have a favorite, or I like many singers.
I like many singers. That's true for me.
Same here. It's hard to pick just one.
Emily, how do I talk about a song I like?
Great question. You say, I love this song, or this is a good song.
I love this song. Simple.
You can also say the song name, like, I love the song Happy by Pharrell.
Oh, that song makes me want to dance.
Right? Music can change your mood.
Mood? What's that?
Mood means how you feel. Happy, sad, excited.
Ah, okay. So music changes how I feel.
Exactly. Some people listen to happy music in the morning. Some listen to calm music at night.
I listen to energetic music when I exercise.
That's common. Energetic means high energy, fast, exciting.
Energetic. I like that word.
Let's practice a full sentence. Say, I listen to energetic music when I exercise.
I listen to energetic music when I exercise.
One more time.
I listen to energetic music when I exercise.
Perfect. Listeners, when do you listen to music? Think about it. I also listen to music in the car.
Me too. Long drives need good music.
Do you go to concerts?
Sometimes, a concert is a live music show.
Live means the singer is really there, right?
Yes, not a recording. Real people playing real music.
I went to a concert last year. It was so loud.
Yeah, concerts are usually loud, but fun.
Very fun.
Okay, let's review. To talk about music, you can say, I like plus the music type.
I like rock music.
You can say, my favorite singer is plus the name.
My favorite singer is Bruno Mars.
And you can say, I love this song.
I love this song.
Great job today.
This was fun.
Listeners, here's a question for you. What kind of music do you like? Tell us in the comments.
We want to hear from you.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.